Some of my treasures have been requesting that I show them how to make custard. So let's have it. Let's have it. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to share how to make pap, the easy way to make custard. Sorry, the easy way to make custard, or how I make my own custard. So let's get started. I'll start by adding some custard powder into my dry plate. For this method, I'll be using about 4 tablespoons of custard powder. That's this tablespoon I'm using here, 4 of it. Then add little water to dissolve the powder. Just add water little by little. Don't go in all at once. You just need water to dissolve the custard powder. As you're dissolving it, you feel that there's something like a magnet holding the spoon as you're trying to stir or turn the custard powder in the plate. Add water until your spoon can move freely. Don't go and pour too much water, just maybe a tablespoon. For this, I'm using about 8 or 10 tablespoons, these same tablespoons of water, room temperature water. At this time, the custard powder is nicely dissolved. You can see it. No lumps, no powder again. You're not seeing any whitish powder again. Everything is well dissolved. And I'm also boiling water by the side. Before you start dissolving this, you must have put your water on the stove or gas or fire, whatever you're using to boil your water. And we're going to use boiling water for this. As the water is in then you carry it down and start pouring into your custard, the mixed custard or the dissolved custard. Stir as you're pouring the water until everything turns very yellow or thickens. You notice how it is here. Then mix very well. After mixing it very well, you can then adjust the consistency of your custard. If you like it thick, you can leave it this way. But if you want it lighter than this, then you add more hot water to it. Keep adding the hot water little by little until you get the consistency you want. That's when you add the water, you stir it, you stir until you get the consistency you want or like. So here we have our custard, the first method of making the custard. You can add your sugar and milk as you like and enjoy with whatever you want also, or whatever you like, your akara, your moi moi, your bread, your fried plantain, fried yam, fried potato, whichever thing you like to use it for. And here we have our yummy custard. So for the second method, I'll also be adding my custard powder into a plate, mix it with room temperature water to dissolve it very well. Then our hot water is boiling. We also pour it into the custard. So the difference here now is I'm not stirring it as I'm pouring the water. Just pour water on it. Keep pouring the water, spreading it until the custard thickens. You also notice that everything has thickened. So all you need to do is to stir it Also adjust the consistency after stirring and mixing it very well. You can see how thick this is. So adjust the consistency to your own preference. If I'm the one drinking this, I'll say add it about half cup of hot water. Also add your sugar or any sweetener you prefer. You can use honey for this. You can use a date powder. You can also drink it without adding any sugar or sweetener to it. So this is how to make your sweet, yummy, and lump-free custard. My dear Ujunwa and all the rest that have been asking for this, I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.